A large part of my practice is seeing clients who have recently gone through a divorce. Some of the emotional pains that they struggle with are insomnia, they have body aches, they have confused thinking, panic disorders, and many times their symptoms actually replicate PTSD. Society may encourage you with having post-divorce parties, or friends might say, you're better off without them, they were holding you down or holding you back. But today on Reaction Reset, I'm going to tell you the truth about the grim emotional effects following a divorce that affect many. It's a topic we don't talk about. No one can escape the effects of divorce. Celebrities like Demi Moore have gone on and on about how her health was failing after her divorce. Doctors and lawyers have both weighed in on the topic of how people go through an emotional and physical struggle after divorce. You see, there's no right way to do divorce. There's no right way to feel about it. Sometimes your support network that used to hold you close, all of a sudden you've lost them after a divorce too, which compiles the effects of the emotional and physical onslaught of problems after a divorce. A study out of Michigan State found that people who went through a divorce up to 15 years later were still struggling with health-related problems, and this was not true with married couples who had lost a partner due to death. As many as 60% of all people going through a divorce have been found to struggle with symptoms very much like PTSD, flashbacks, migraines, confusion, moments of intense fear. Emotional stress wrecks the body. It affects the immune system, it affects the cardiovascular, it affects our skin. Eczema is known to increase after a divorce. All these things are showing you that your body is breaking down from the emotional stress. If you suffer from the symptoms I've mentioned, it's important for you to take control of your body again. If you find yourself withdrawing, feeling confused at work, not able to focus, and just not right in yourself, and it's been going on for more than 30 days, let's go through ways that you can get better. First and most important, get into therapy. You need to have guidance getting through this. A therapist is going to help support you emotionally so you can feel energized and motivated to make the changes you need to make. A well-known treatment for PTSD, if you're having those type of struggles, is EMDR. It's done in the office and easy to do. Secondly, be sure to eat and exercise every day. This is going to help you minimize your stress and help you feel more in control. And don't forget, eliminate alcohol. Why do I say that? Wine relaxes, right? No, wine is actually a depressant on your body. And after a divorce, feeling even more depressed or numb is not going to help you get through this. Fourthly, enroll in yoga or some sort of meditation class. The reason for this is you need to gain control of your own breath. Many times when we're feeling panic or fear, we start breathing rapidly, and without knowing it, we're actually closing down our circulatory system, making our blood pressure shoot up, which increases our anxiety. Once you learn yoga or begin meditating, it's going to help you calm down, help clear your thoughts, help you take control of breathing nice, deep breaths. Finally, remind yourself that you're in control of you and your choices. When your ex is still alive, it's really difficult to allow them into your home, to pick up your child, to still see them every day. Sometimes there's lots of resentment and anger left over. But remember, your child's success, your child's ability to get through this is going to depend on your actions and your choices. Love your child enough to accept and co-parent with your ex. If you are a loved one or a friend of someone going through a divorce, it's important that you listen, that you remain non-judgmental, and that you're there for them. Encourage them to seek counseling, because this is going to be the most instrumental thing in helping them move forward. If you are the person going through a divorce, it's important that you know this marriage was over, it was broken, but that doesn't prevent you from loving again, and it doesn't prevent you from being a great parent. Love your child enough to work and to co-parent with your ex as best you can. Remember, change your reaction, change your world.